Happy Thursday, guys. Last math lesson for this week and a math test tomorrow, and happy Thanksgiving. Let's start with our names. We're on lesson 45, classifying quadrilaterals. Division, power up D. 49 divided by 7 is 7. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 6 divided by 0 is 0. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 54 divided by 6 is 9. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 30 divided by 5 is 6. And 21 divided by 3 is 7. Moving on. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 81 divided by 9 is 9. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 56 divided by 7 is 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 36 divided by 6 is 6. 56 divided by 8 is 7. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And 42 divided by 7 is 6. Last row. 48 divided by 6 is 8. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 63 divided by 7 is 9. 32 divided by 4 is 8. And 64 divided by 8 is 8. All right. Money. How many cents are in 3 quarters? 3 quarters. 25 cents times 3. 5 times 3 is 5. Carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 quarters. 75 cents. How many cents is in 6 quarters? 25 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 0 down. 3 up. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 3 is 15. 1, 2, decimal point. $1.50. C says round 278 to the nearest 10. So we're going to round 278 to the nearest 10. At the 7, look back to the 8. 8 tells you to go up 1 time. The 7 is going to turn to an 8. Everything after is a 0. Keep everything before it. 280. Now it says then add 25. I don't know why we rounded and then add a 5, but we did. And you come up with 305. Measurement. Darius ran 875 meters and then walked 125 meters. How many total meters? Total. Add 875 plus 125. 5 plus 5 is 0. Carry the 1. 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 more is 10. 0, carry the 1. 8 plus 1 plus 1 is 10. 1,000 meters, which is really a kilometer. E, 10 times 15 cents. Hang that 0 out. Bring that 0 down. 1, 2 decimal point. $1.50. What is 50% of 10? When I say 50%, you say 1/2. Half of 10. Take 10 divided by 2. Oh my goodness, so easy. And you get 5 for F. Now you're going to take 10% of 50. When I say 10%, you say 1/10. So divided by 10 equals 5. That's pretty cool. 50% of 10 is 5, and 10% of 50 is 5. 8, let's work across the bottom. 6 times 4 equals 24. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 2 times 7 equals 14. 14 plus 1 equals 15. And 15 divided by 3 equals 5. All right. Problem solving. Problem of the day. It says, choose an appropriate problem solving strategy to solve this problem. Each package of balloons contains exactly 10 red balloons, 5 blue balloons, and 6 yellow balloons. For a party decoration, Janara purchased 2 packages of balloons. So let's get this down. We got 10 red. We got 8 blue. And we got 6 yellow. And now she bought 2 packages. So we're going to take it times 2. 10 times 2 equals 20. 8 times 2 equals 16. And 6 times 2 equals 12. So far, so good. 2 packages of balloons. If Janara wants to use equal numbers of each color, what is the greatest number of balloons she can use at the party? So if I want to use 1 yellow, I got to use 1 blue, 1 red. So the most yellows I can use is 12. And if that's the biggest there are, it's there. And we're only going to use 12 blue and 12 red. So let's add those up. 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 36 balloons. We answered our first question here. How many balloons will be unused? So these are all the balloons that she had. So 0 plus 6 is 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. So she had a total of 48. She decided to only use 36. So what's the difference? 48 minus 36 equals 12 balloons. Okay. So we had 2 different answers for this one. First of all, we took the balloons times the 2 packages, come up with the totals. Then we took the greatest number of yellow and made that same for blue and red. So we had the same number of balloons. Added those up, we said 36 we're going to use. Then we added up the total of all the balloons she had. Some were not used. We subtracted the ones that were used, 48 minus 30, and we got 12. Alright guys, classifying quadrilaterals in our next video. Go ahead and divide your paper into 6.